So friends, let's see today's delicious and easy recipe of coconut macaroons. Let me take you through the ingredients. So this is 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut, half a cup of powdered sugar. You can also use icing sugar. This is 2 egg whites, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/4 teaspoon of gel food color, and this is completely optional, and 1/4 cup of tutti frutti. This is again optional. Now I've just lined a baking tray with some baking paper. So let's start with today's recipe. It's super easy and really the end result is super delicious. So now I'm going to add my egg whites to a mixing bowl. Next goes in the powdered sugar. And we're going to whisk this really well for about a whole minute. You can also use an electric whisk, but even a hand whisk like this, works fine. Just whisk it for one entire minute till all of the sugar is nicely dissolved into the egg whites. And then you get this nice light white, a frothy kind of mixture. That's what we're looking for. Now I'm going to add the vanilla essence. And again, I'm going to mix this really well. The vanilla essence basically, takes off the eggy smell or the eggy odor of the mixture and also adds a lovely flavor to the recipe. Now on a very low flame, I'm going to just dry roast my desiccated coconut. Now we need to use desiccated coconut for this recipe. Fresh coconut doesn't work in the same way. And keep stirring this on a medium to low flame. Stirring continuously. It's okay if it browns a little bit, it's fine. And you'll see that it starts to fluff up a bit, the coconut, and you'll get this beautiful aroma. So once that is done, just turn off the heat and let it rest for about a minute. It's okay if it toasts down. In fact, it tastes much better if the coconut is a little on the light brown side, at the base. And now I'm just going to transfer this coconut mix to the mixture of my egg whites and sugar. You can see that it's a little bit toasted, but that's what I'm looking for. That really enhances the flavor of this desiccated coconut. And I'm going to mix everything really well together. Now you can keep it, completely at this color. But if you want to make it look even more festive, you can add some gel color. So you can leave it as it is, or you can add food gel color. You can add with light pink or a pastel green, a pastel blue. And this would also be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add my tutti frutti. This again is optional, but I just wanted to add it to give it a little extra festive touch. Again, mix this in well. Now you can also use a convection microwave and at the same temperature. Now like you can see, I'm adding a little food color, just very little, a tiny drop of gel food color. You can leave it plain like I said, or you can add, divide it into different sections and add different pastel gel colors. It's all up to you. And mix everything really well together. Now I baked these in my convection microwave, and they turned out amazing. Now I'm just going to make small even size balls, roll them well, and just press them down a bit on the top. We don't want them to look like balls or ladus, rather we want them to be a little bit flat on the top. So you can also grease your hands with a little bit of clarified butter or ghee and just shape them up nicely and place them at a little gap from each other. Now I added a little pink to the blue to give it a little light purple color, and I baked them at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And look at them, they just look so amazing. You can decorate them with any of the lovely Christmas decor like a mistletoe or a silver ball. The options are endless. I just placed them into these little cupcake holders that I had, the mini cupcake holders, and they looked really pretty. And they taste really amazing and they get ready so quickly. So I just took these little cake holders that I had and I just placed them. And now if you look at the base of the macaroon, it's nice and toasted. This doesn't take long to cook or bake because we've already roasted the the coconut. and even the inside looks so nice. So give this recipe a try, guys, and I'll catch you soon in my next recipe. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.